Hi guys, this is my cat Mimi Meow. My mother created this name and I said I really like it. And I found her when I was 6 to 7 years old and I've been adopting her for maybe 1 year. And she's a stray cat and she likes to go away when I'm just holding her, and she always meows, and she's a girl. That's all the facts that I know about her. So that is her where she eats and drinks water. That is her bed up there and her pooping place and the shovel to take out her poop, and the food refill, and the water refill is out the side, and that's it. This is all. This is her cage, and it's very big. So she likes to go in the bushes out in the garden there.